Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 114 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman from our good old pals over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these with me, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this beautiful 1/8 scale model. Let's have a look through the magazine. You got Penguin's Clean Sweep there from the TV show section. Great Batman Comics, Nightwing, year 1 it says there. Legends of the Dark Knight. Here's Misfits and Malcontents. Batman Family Giant there. And then our car parts, we're going to receive the final parts of the left exhaust pipe. Getting ready for fitting, folks, okay? So we'll grab our complete chassis section and start routing these pipes in. So coming up there with a flexible one. And then we'll be putting the centre section along and joining those together. And then we'll be closing it off then with the top part of the silencer box. And that's what it's going to look like when it's fitted, going all the way along there like so. Okay. So that's the magazine done. So we'll put that to one side, folks. We'll bring the parts in and we'll start a bit of assembly for you. Right. We've got our parts, so we'll grab those. And get rid of the plastic. Got one screw, so let's have you. A little AP screw there, so we'll have that. Stick the old oiler pops over there, bring you down. Let's get a screwdriver bit. Pop you in place and have a little bit of oil, just like so. Right, you're going to go down in there like so. So we'll have a bit of that. And we're also going up in here somewhere with this exhaust system. So we just need to see where we're going to go. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to drop the wheel off. Just like so. So that we can actually see where we're going with this exhaust, I think. So we'll shove you there. And it's this piece here, this concertina piece is going right down in there somewhere. It goes into a little hole just at the end of the exhaust up there, see it? So that's where it's going in there. Let's put that little light out of the way a minute. That's my little, that's my little reminder that I haven't done the dashboard light yet, folks. Orientate the exhaust the correct way, which is that way. Got 2 pegs and they're going in these 2 pinholes. Now later on in the build I'm going to have to come back and drop this off, okay, because under there is a hole where the bodywork mounts. I could show you actually. So when you come to assemble the bodywork, what we're doing today, you'll end up undoing, because under there, if you could see, this big post is a bodywork mount. So you'll have to come in, drop this off and do that screw up, okay? So the lower half of this exhaust cover, which comes in this kit, what that does there is that presses into place and closes that all off and makes it look suave, windswept and interesting. I'm not going to fit that today because it's only going to come back off in a couple of issues' time. Well, I say a couple of issues, the final issue. But I don't want to damage it taking it off by levering it to pop it off because it's going to mark it, and I don't want to do that on mine. So I'm not going to fit it today. I'm going to put it in the bag of safetyness. Right, let's pop you in there. Push you all the way. You go in there. You then go up in there. Oh, they're quite tight, actually. There you go. Just like so. Just like so. And by powers of deduction, we then put that screw in like so. Just like that. And that is dressed that exhaust system up now. Also, what I'm going to do, I've already done one, is I'm going to come back and start doing all these brake pipes. If you notice, they're all floppy McFloppiness. And what I've been doing is I've been coming back and I've been putting florist wires in the pipe. These. See? So what I do is I pop the pipes off the back of the brake, like so. I then feed in one of these florist wires into the pipe, just like so. Send it all the way in as far as I can get it to go. Like so. I then grab another one. And then I push it in the length of the spike, basically. Like so. And then I can come back now and I can start bending this to conform to the shape I want. Okay. So that's going to come along the back of here, somewhere along there, and go up into that brake pipe. Okay. So I'm going to drop that wheel off as well. Like so. Just so that I can see where I'm going. I've got the little peg still up under there, but I want to go round that side and up. So I'm going to come along like that. Because then, see, I shall tie these to this ramp post even. Like so. Come around the way. Like that. And then bend it. Just like so. When I put that on, feed that pipe in. I've now got a nice, reasonably shaped pipe, and then I can come back then and tie this all to this manifold. It's got enough slack up under there to bring that pipe nice and tight along there like that. Okay? So you can see how that's going to go, folks. So that's where we are. I'm going to carry on and do all of them pipes off camera. So the next time you see this, all of this wobbly pipeness is going to be gone, folks, okay? So if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, and who wouldn't, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can be building this iconic Batmobile. Also, to help me out, if you can remember to like, share, hype and subscribe to the channel. Really helps keep the channel going, keeps it alive and the content coming. Thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Until then, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.